Hi friends, this is Prabhas and you are welcome to my channel Civilian.
In this video, we will discuss about elements of city plan. All the individual objects that are included in an urban area are the elements of city plan. The main elements of city plan are generally classified as communications. These includes roadways, railways, airways and waterways. Then built up area. These includes residential buildings, public and semi-public buildings, commercial buildings and industries. Then open area. These includes open space for recreation like gardens, parks, playfields, etc. Then open lands other than the above, that is for graveyards, cremation grounds, burial places, etc. Then public utility services. These includes water supply, drainage, electricity, gas, telephone. Then public amenities. This includes a large number of items. The most important are follows, that is post offices, police station, petrol pump, fire station, dairies, dhopighat and a refuge deposit, etc. In city planning, the built up area is about 60% of the total land. From 40% open areas, parks requires 20% and road requires 20%. Now comes to method of financing a town planning scheme. The source of finance of a local body are revenue from non-tax sources, tax levied by local body and collected by state government, taxes levied by local body but collected on behalf of state government, grant in aid or loan by state or union government, taxes on goods or passenger carriage by railways, sea and airways, taxes on railways fares and freight charges, taxes on lands and buildings, entry of goods in city areas, consumption and sales of electricity, vehicles, animals, professional taxes, taxes on luxurious item, advertisement in the local city, that is other than papers, capitation and toll taxes. Now comes to aesthetics of town planning. Man has a natural love for beauty, and so utility and beauty must be considered in civic design to satisfy the aesthetic aspiration of the citizens. The aim of town design is to see the urban elements not only function properly but also in a pleasing way. They should promote a sense of beauty and love of nature to secure satisfaction. This is accomplished by three ways, namely creative, preventive and destructive measures. Now come to creative measures. Buildings either private or public should be insisted to build to satisfy certain architectural standards. Residential neighborhood should be neatly planned. Every residential building should be complete to have a garden arbority. Art galleries, museums must be designed with the architectural excellence to attract the visitors and to encourage local industries and manufacturers. Planting of trees of appropriate color, shade and growth should be done on either side of the road. Proper illumination should be done with street lamps of artistic design to enhance the beauty of the town. All public buildings should be designed with the elements of beauty and located at the focal points or main squares. All open spaces should be converted into parks, gardens or at least converted into lawns. Colorful shops which may be interspaced with small lakes, pool, etc. in a landscape layout. Then comes to preventive measures. The concerned authorities can restrict or prevent the construction of certain structures in city. They can allow such works which can be constructed in accordance with the approved elevations. Some sort of control can be exercised about advertising in public spaces. They should be displayed judicially so as to increase the beauty of the surroundings. Now comes to destructive measures. Under this, any structure found to be ugly and unsightly and therefore objectionable from point of view of beauty can be removed gradually. For example, open drains can be replaced by underground drains to carry refuse or towns such as garbage, storm water, subsoil water, sewage, etc. Overhead telephone lines can be replaced by underground cable, etc. Today, the aesthetics of the town are no more considered as luxuries. These serve as great assets, increase cheerfulness and happiness of mankind. They symbolize the pride and dignity of a city and outward expression of a highly cultured society. The more the cultured a society, the better it can express its aesthetic sense in private, public and civic buildings.